Okay, so we got everything tight now. You'll need an 18 mil wrench for the big nuts and bolt, and you'll need a 16 mil and a 14 mil for the smaller ones. And then again, your 12 mil for here. When you tighten these up, start with one of these, do one, then go to the other side and do it. It pushes it up tight against here and pushes it up here. So these ones tighten up better. And when you're tightening up, I always start at the bottom, do these two, then go into these two, then these, then those, then go to the top and do my two big ones up here. Then I'll do these two, and I also loosen these up and Loctite these as well. Loctite the nut on your roller wheel. A lot of vibration in this. The nuts and bolts will come loose. Now we're gonna put the rollers on up here for the cable. Whether you noticed or not, but there's a washer. You put a washer on first. Then this has a C-clip on it. Put the C-clip in towards. Put your next washer on. Put your nut on. This nut is 19 mil and or 3/4. Repeat the same for the other side.